sa upcoming pageant. We know that we saw their hardships, your experience, and we know that this will bring uniqueness to you on the stage. And I believe that you, as I see Denver during the pageant, as an older brother of mine that I know I can lean back on whenever there are struggles, we also got your back. And good luck, and I hope everybody would be able to support Denver and his journey as a future king. He's already a king, but as a future, possibly Mr. Fitness Supermodel World.
Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, good luck, and I know naman na it's not easy to compete in international, and alam ko kaya mo yan. Once a misters, always a misters. Alam mo naman yan. Thank you. Denver, bilang isang kuya during our MOF, I want to wish him all the best. I want to wish you din kung pagdating ng panahon na papadala ka na namin sa international stage, I hope you bring the glory back to the Philippines. And of course, always remember that God is with you always. Yun lang, and good luck, brother.
Good evening, everyone. First thing I would like to share about Denver, he's a very nice person, and he's very mabait. You know, sometimes if I have events, I really wish him to be with me because it's like brotherhood. And my wish for you for the competition is international. Be yourself, enjoy it, and most of all, take it as an experience to grow from it and learn from it. And trust me, they will love you there because you're a very good person. Thank you very much.
Alam ko, nalaman ko, ang dami ko bibigyan doon sa akin, uwi mong corona. Sergio, sa kaya ko lang, nagsuot kami kahapon. Talaga, hindi ko na pag ginat pumiyak. Ay mo ba wala? Si Denver, ay nagsuot niya. Ako na lang ang kulang. Sabi ko, nakita ko ito. Materialis fuerte sa pagkin talaga. Kaya hanapin ko lang po. Materialis mo kayo doon. Nalaman mo, ang laban na to, alam ko na gagawin mo para manalo ka. Ang laban ng gusto sa Pilipinas, dapat mo laban natin na. Kaya po, supportahan po natin siya. Muli, hanggang sa patamis niya, supportahan po natin. Maraming salamat po natin.
Thank you so much to and Sir Carlo, Sir June, and sa mga galang and sister brother po nila, Sir Carlo po. Thank you so much po sa binigay po opportunity sa akin bilang isang king niyo po. And this is very unforgettable moment po para sa akin. So, isa po itong dream para sa akin na isang karangalan din po na ma-represent po ang Pilipinas International. So, thank you so much po. And nagpapasalamat din po kay Nanay June and sa partner ko po, sa family ko, sa mga friends, and media sa inyong lahat. LGBT po, yan. Sobrang love ko po kayo lahat. Thank you so much po. And sa mga brothers ko, thank you. And thank you po sa inyong support. And gagalingan ko po, and I will do my best to bring home the crown. Thank you po.